We're going to evict all the note takers that are in the waiting room.
Yeah, I'm working on that. There's just so many.
Fantastic.
Hey, good morning, Rita. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, and there's Eunice,
Good morning.
our guest speaker. Let me go there. So, our guest speaker today is going to be Eunice, and Eunice is going to tell us about his new startup, Flowcity. It's very exciting. We've been working with Eunice over the last month or so, and watching week by week how the platform is progressing. So you'll hear more about that from Eunice. Let me give you in the preamble, just give you an update of what's been going on at Kwai. Well, you recall that I've been away. I went to a UN General Assembly meeting. This last couple of weeks, it's been the sort of convergence of all sorts of key players in the United Nations. It's the general sort of convening of interested parties to come to New York and participate in a debate. And so the debate that we were participating in was around AI governance. A year ago, António Guterres released the white paper about how AI trust needs to be established.